In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your agency life using Asana 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable system for staying on top of clients' deadlines and daily execution without feeling overwhelmed. First, set up your workspace so everything has a logical home. In Asana, treat teams like high-level folders. If you run an agency, create a team for each client. For internal work, create teams for departments like brand marketing or legal. This structure makes it crystal clear where each project belongs and who should be involved. Next, save time with project templates. For any process you repeat, like new client onboarding or a standard campaign, build a template with stages, default tasks, and clear owners. Consistent templates reduce guesswork and make scaling your operation much easier. Now let's organize your day with My Tasks. This is your personal command center. New assignments land in recently assigned. Make it a habit to triage them, moving each task into today, this week, or later. A quick daily check keeps priorities accurate. Always add a due date even if it's tentative. Dates anchor your plan and keep your workload visible on timelines and calendars. To avoid clutter, move non-actionable items, articles to read, or ideas to revisit into a separate project or inbox. That way, your My Task stays focused on work you can actually do now. Make your projects easy to scan by categorizing and color coding. Assign consistent colors by client, channel, or urgency so you can glance at your calendar or board and immediately understand what's demanding attention. Next, tap into features that streamline the big picture. Use the project dashboard for a quick snapshot of progress, overdue work, and ownership. Customize it with simple status fields like in progress and completed so stakeholders can see where things stand without a meeting. Connect Asana to your other tools to reduce copying and pasting. For example, forward an important email straight into Asana to capture it as a task and keep everything in one place. Automate recurring actions with rules so your process moves forward without supervision. For instance, when a prerequisite task is marked complete, automatically update the next task to ready to start. You'll cut down on manual nudges and keep momentum high. When you need answers fast, master search and filters to surface the exact tasks, projects, or deadlines you're looking for. And switch to calendar view to visualize workload and spot conflicts before they happen. Follow this setup, and Asana becomes your agency's reliable operating system. Clear priorities, consistent workflows, and effortless visibility.